Alright, today we're going to talk about density and how we find the density of an object. So first we need to remember our equation. Density equals mass over volume, and our units are grams over milliliters. I always try to remember D, big D broke my heart. So if you look, it's a heart with a line through it, and that's your M over V. So you remember mass goes before volume. Alright, so I have a rock, and I need to know its density. So first I'm going to need to know its mass. So I'm going to put it on my triple beam balance and calculate out how much the mass of the actual rock is. So if I do this, let's see where we're at. I've got to get it even and balanced, so it looks like it's 11 grams. So I'm going to go and record 11 grams on my data sheet. So 11 grams. And now I need volume. So to find volume of an irregular object like my rock, I have to place it in a graduated cylinder. So I filled my graduated cylinder, and if we look, I have about 20 milliliters of water in there. So now I'm going to take my rock, I place it in my graduated cylinder, and I see how much it went up. So we were at 20 milliliters. Now it looks just above 23 if I use the meniscus at the bottom. So I want it to be level. If I look at it level, it looks about 24. So let's say 24. So now, all right, so I started with 20 milliliters in my graduated cylinder, and it went up to 24. So I subtract my new volume from my old to get the volume of the rock at 4 milliliters. Now, I'm going to take the 11 grams divided by 4 milliliters, punch it into my calculator. 11 divided by 4 equals 2.75, and I can't forget my unit, which should be G over ML. So that's my answer, and I would look for that answer on the test. 2.75 grams over milliliter for the density of my rock.